Good afternoon, everyone. It's June the 27th, 2025. The sun has come out this afternoon. It's 4:04 on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. OMG. I just seen an eagle land in that tree right there, but I cannot see where it is. They might have a nest in there. Anyways, it's a little windy to be on the lake, but somebody's there. Looks like they are coming back in, doing the smart thing. But Father Sun has blessed us with some sunshine this afternoon, unlike this morning where it was ugly, ugly, ugly. There you go. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Any weather updates will update, and any other shenanigans that are happening around here. Peace out.